In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multi-stream with OBS Studio, a powerful tool for broadcasting to multiple platforms simultaneously. This is an invaluable skill if you're looking to expand your streaming audience across various platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook. By the end of this guide, you'll have the essential knowledge to set up multi-streaming quickly and efficiently. First, let's head over to the OBS Multiple RTMP Outputs page. This is a plugin essential for multi-streaming with OBS Studio. If you're not familiar, OBS Studio is an open-source software popular among streamers for its flexibility and robust performance. The Multiple RTMP Outputs plugin specifically allows you to push your stream to more than one destination, a boon for reaching viewers across different platforms. Once you're on the page, it's time to download the necessary plugins. This step is vital because without these plugins, you'll be restricted to a single stream output. Follow the download instructions provided on the site. Typically, this involves downloading a zip file. Once that's complete, extract the contents to your OBS Studio plugins folder. Remember to ensure that OBS Studio is closed during this process to avoid any installation issues. Next, open OBS Studio. Now that you have the plugins installed, you'll notice a few extra options within the interface. Ensure everything was installed correctly and double-check that the plugins are active. You should now be ready to add more output options to your OBS setup. It's time to add a new output for the multi-stream. This process is straightforward. Navigate to the output section of your OBS Studio settings. Here, you can add a new RTMP output for each platform you wish to stream to. You'll need the server URL and stream key for each platform. This information is available on your streaming platform's settings page. Input these details carefully because any errors can prevent your stream from connecting properly. Now, you should be set up and ready to multi-stream. With each new output configured, launching your stream on OBS Studio will now simultaneously broadcast to all the platforms you've set up. It's an effective way to increase your reach and engage with more audiences without having to sacrifice the uniqueness of broadcasting live. Finally, don't forget to test your setup before going live. Double-check each platform to ensure everything is streaming as expected. This extra step can save you from any potential streaming hiccups and ensure a smooth broadcast for your viewers. Congratulations! You're all set to start multi-streaming with OBS Studio. With a little practice and attention to detail, you can easily broaden the scope of your live broadcasts. Happy streaming! And I hope you enjoy watching your community grow across multiple platforms.